Hey guys, it's me Nadira Yasmin. Welcome to my channel. I just want to say Selamat Hari Raya. As you can see by the title, it's going to be a get ready with me video. I wanted this video to be more of a chit chat video, but I was still focusing on the makeup. I suddenly thought that hey, it'll be great to just do a get ready with me video instead of makeup tutorial. I think it'll be better that way because you guys can actually see the look that I'm wearing on my first day of Raya. So it's realistic, you know what I'm saying? It's not like a makeup tutorial and then like you actually ended up not doing it as what you film. Make sense? So yeah, whatever that is on my face now, it is what it is.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
So we're just gonna jump right into the video. I'm going to prime my face. Now this is going to be a fast one, I think. I want to do more of a chit chat kind of thing. So let's see how this goes. Okay, primer is ready. We'll just throw in some foundation, and this is SEPHORA foundation in the shade of, God, I don't know, wait, hold on. You know what, I'm just gonna put it right here, so that's that. Or maybe you can check the description box below. I'm not gonna take a lot, probably just a few of this because it's very high coverage. So to those of you who are watching this, if you guys are celebrating Hari Raya like me, Selamat Hari Raya, y'all. See, we almost got them all covered. Well, it's definitely not flawless, but it's good enough to be. Yep. So I'm going to use this concealer. I think it's a Fit Me Maybelline concealer in the shade of light. I don't know, but it's code number 10. And I'm just going to throw it in there. I mean, I'm not following the cliche rules like the, what do you call it, the triangle and stuff. I'm just gonna put it there. Just a normal spot, which I think you guys know. And then taking my sponge, just dab it all in. Next, I'm gonna try this one up. It's by Glossier. It's a cloud paint. I don't know which one I should wear, to be honest. Okay, what look do I want to achieve? You know what? I'm just gonna give this a try and see how. Oh wow, this is beautiful. Is that how you wear it? I think I'm gonna mix both because this is my first time trying this product and I just want to see the color pay off. Okay, this is coral. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, it's so cute. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my face with the setting powder. It's Fit Me Maybelline. So you want to make sure you throw out the crease and then only set the place with the powder. And then the other areas that you think you want to set. Oh, it's just you don't know what to wear. What eye color should I do? You know what? We're just gonna give it a go and just try. Ah, perfect. I think that my sister took all of the eyeshadow brushes and now I don't have any eyeshadow brushes, so I think I'm just gonna use my hand. You just gotta make do with whatever you have. So I think I'm just gonna go with this palette, the dark palette. This shit right here. Just gonna smudge it all over my eyelid, I think. Let's just see how this turns out. Yeah, I think I'm just going to make this look a coral look, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to take this one, this gold shit. I think I'm gonna say it has a name, so it's fine. So I'm just going to put it on my crease. On my crease block, on my eyelid. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just don't go over the coral color, the orange color that we've put earlier on. Okay. Yep, I think that's good enough. So this is the Magnum Big Shot Mascara. I think I got this when it was on sale. So I got it because it was for sale, not because of the mascara itself, you know what I'm saying? Curl my lashes. I can't be bothered. Okay, I'm just gonna do the talking now. I seriously need to start talking. I feel like talking, but I don't feel like talking. I feel like the only thing that's stopping me from talking is that I'm focusing on getting my makeup done. That's cute. I can even close it properly. I'll just figure it out later. Using this eyeliner. I feel like this eyeliner is so famous in Malaysia. Like, I don't know why. I'm just honestly following the hype, so yeah. How should I do it? Should I make it snatch or should I make it... Okay, I think I'm gonna make it a little bit snatch. So as usual, you're gonna give it a little bit a cute wing liner right there. Oh, this is... Oh my god, look at that. That's cute. Sorry for my tudung situation. Oh my god, this is really bad. One sec. Oh my god, tak sama. Sige lah. Fine. Okay, what's next? I think I'm gonna do eyebrow. Okay guys, we're back. Sorry, I had to charge the battery for a little bit and I pergi gosok my tudung. So I think this is the tudung. This is actually the tudung that I'm going to wear with this outfit. So let's just continue. Let's bronze up a little bit. Oh, I actually did my eyebrows off camera. Nothing fancy. And just bronze up. I'm going to do my nose contouring using the eyebrow powder. So I'm taking the middle shade, like middle between this. To add that on, I'm just taking anything that looks like orangey, honestly. Just, oof. Okay, highlighter, Wet n Wild. Just put it here. Then I'm gonna bring a little bit up on my brow bone, a bit on my chin. Oof, that's a lot. And maybe on my forehead a bit, just to give that glow. Oh wow, that is cute. Lipstick by Maybelline. Okay, so now we're going to do the hijab part. If any of you guys are wearing hijab like me, I seriously don't know how I should style it, but let's just see. Should I put both sides or just one side? Ah, decision. I hate decision. Oh my god, I seriously don't know what it is. So we're just gonna secure it at the back of the earring, like this. From there, I'm just going to bring it on the other side. So... God, this is not working. Let's try this again. According to my sister, you have to pin your anak tudung at the back if it's longer. In my case, it's not longer. It's okay, but my tudung never stayed on very cantik like hers. So she said that this is her tips. She said good anak tudung will make your tudung look good. Yeah. I don't know if I'm being over dramatic, but pakai anak tudung ketat-ketat sakit dua telinga. Okay, wait, why is it not pinning together? Okay, great. I guess it's somewhat ketat. So I'm going to secure it on top first so that it won't move around so much. We're going to do like what I said just now. Oh my god, this is so hard. Ah! I'm very impatient, okay? I just want to make things work. This is actually harder than putting on makeup. And then, like I said, we're bringing this... Is this supposed to be like that? And then, oh yeah, I think I should put it. Yeah, I think I should put it in here. Gonna look cute here. Guys, I'm seriously just trying without knowing what is the final product. You know, why am I so bad at wearing tudung? Where's the pin? What the heck? Oh wait, long. Wait, is it here? Is it there? Oh wait, yeah it is. Lol. Do I get it? Yeah, okay. Alright. That we're just gonna bring it here. And then for this part, okay, that's weird. Okay, Anis, come on, make up your mind. Just do it. You got this. Oh my god, why do I struggle so much? Okay, so I'm grabbing another earring. My original idea is to have like here very ketat and then like flowing to top my muka like this and then like that. But like that is totally not working. So I'm putting my earring on the other side as well. Okay, yeah, that's good. Oh my god, that's good. Ah! It's definitely not the best, but it's good for now. Okay, honestly, I kind of hate this earring. Like, look at that. What the f***? What the heck? Why is it like that? It's supposed to be like this, not like that. Ah, tak faham though. Sumpah tak faham. Let me just try again. Okay, just do it like that. Okay guys, if this is not working, I am going to ditch this earrings. I will take the one at the back, bring it at the front. You know what, at this point I'm just like, I just want to get this done with. So we have that. I'm just going to pin it like that, bring it at the back. Okay, we're just going to pin this first. And this pin, I'm just going to bring it inside. Okay, and then, oh wow, that's cute. Oh my god, yes, that's cute. Oh my god, it's so much neater. This is cute. So I guess we already have the final look, and this is going to be the final look. Talk about my baju raya. My baju raya this year, I actually don't buy any baju raya. My sisters bought baju raya. Now the reason why I didn't buy my baju raya was because I had my finals. My last paper was 2 days before raya, so I really didn't have the time to actually think and plan what to wear on the first day of raya, which is today. So that is kind of one of the reason why I didn't buy baju raya. Second of all is that I know I have a lot of collections from last year that I didn't get to wear them yet, because when it comes to me shopping baju raya every year, like I don't just buy 1 or 2 pieces, I buy quite a lot for like open houses and stuff. First day of raya, second day of raya, third day of raya. So yeah, of course there are some baju that I tak sempat pakai, so I just decided to recycle them and actually make use of them and actually wear it. So I'm actually really happy with my decision. As long as you dress up on Hari Raya, that is the most important part. So yeah, that is my story on my baju raya. Please do share with me on your experience, on your story about your baju raya. Whether did you buy any, or you're just like me, you don't buy anything. But I do think we should support the businesses who keluarkan baju raya, because this COVID-19 it happened unexpectedly, and I'm pretty sure most of the kedai baju raya somewhat struggle when it comes to their sales. So honestly, I would really buy at least 1 piece. I would really look into it. Like I would at least support rather than not supporting at all. So yeah, that is solely my opinion. Do also share with me your Hari Raya story. I would want to know how your first day of Raya went during this quarantine time, and how is it different than the years before. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!